The single bag tea packaging machine is a high-speed automatic solution designed for individually packed tea bags. It achieves functions of ration feeding, tea bag heat sealing, automatic threading and labeling, envelope filling and sealing, etc. Up to 110 bags per minute, maximizing output efficiency. Adopts cold seal filter paper technology, with firm and neat sealing, eco-friendly and easily degradable. With PLC control, HMI interface, and servo-driven mechanisms, it ensures stable operation, accurate positioning, and superior packaging performance. Detects missing tea leaves, empty bags, or label issues automatically.